Hey guys, it's Jahna Michal from the Cat Country Morning Show here today at Bob's Garden Center to give you my top 5 gardening tips for beginners. I needed this. I just got into gardening and absolutely had no idea what I was doing. So today I'm here to tell you, hopefully, some really important information that'll get you through the gardening season this year. Summer's right around the corner, right? So that brings me to my first tip of the day. Don't start too early. Make sure that the choices that you're making, you are also taking into account the fact that you could get an unplanned frost that you don't want to keep your plants outside for. Even if you have, potted plants that you keep out on your balcony. I know that craze is huge right now. That's what I'm really into. You don't want to leave those out overnight, just in case you didn't bring them in and you weren't planning on it being that cold. There's a way to remedy that. You want to get a breathable blanket and place it over your plants. That way it keeps the moisture out. Number 2, you need to make sure that you know the difference between critters that you want out of your garden versus the ones that, they can be invited to the party. For example, potato bugs. Oh my gosh. We all know you don't want to see them in your garden, right? They'll eat up all your fruit. Versus spiders, they'll get rid of anybody that wasn't invited to the party. So you want to see them.
Oh my gosh.
It's super important that you read the label because over-fertilizing does more harm than no fertilizer at all. It's extremely important that you take into account the type of sunlight that your plant needs. Direct and indirect sunlight will directly impact the growth and health of your plant in the long run. So make sure that you're just reading those labels, knowing exactly what it is that your plant needs. And finally, you just want to have fun. Make sure that you're making choices that you are going to be excited about. Grow the veggies that you will eat. Grow herbs that you'll use on a regular basis. The more invested you are in your garden and in your gardening choices, the more time and effort that you will spend to make sure that you see them through to fruition. Those are my top 5 gardening tips for beginners, brought to you by Bob's Garden Center. Visit them online at bobsgardencenter.com for anything that you need to get a jump start on your garden this summer.